Hello, good evening.
Hi, good evening, Vishal sir.
Okay, so yeah, I'm Vishal and I'm from Ahmedabad, Gujarat. I would like a brief introduction about yourself.
Yeah, my name is Rakesh, and originally I am from Uttarakhand, and now I am in Delhi too, and I am doing job here too in IT recruitment.
IT recruitment.
Yes, yes,
So you are an HR.
yes. I'm in working in HR. So
So
you are
is
from
this
Gujarat, sir, right?
Gujarat, Ahmedabad.
Okay, it's great, sir.
You been to Ahmedabad?
Hyderabad.
Ahmedabad.
No, no,
Gujarat,
no.
Ahmedabad.
Ahmedabad. No. I didn't. I have been not there, but I have heard so many times this place because there are a lot of hiring. We do hiring for Ahmedabad location too.
For Ahmedabad or from Ahmedabad?
In Ahmedabad,
So
Rajkot
you
is
are
also
a
there, na? Ahmedabad.
Rajkot is nearby Ahmedabad. So you
Yes,
are a
yes, yes.
basic middle agency, something like that.
Yes. I'm working in consulting firm now, not in IT, but we do hire for IT company.
You hire for both. So basically, you hire for companies.
Yes, sir.
Okay, I know what you do. Okay. So
I know you
basically,
are also from IT, Demon. I think you have done your graduation from IT also. I just read your
yes. So I
Sunday
had done my
something.
BCA, but by profession I was a 3D artist. Rather,
Okay.
I am a 3D artist. It's just that I have switched to industry now. I have become almost full time. I am doing this and a
Mhm.
little bit of stock market.
Okay, stock market
The
also.
multiple sources of income.
Okay.
Correct. So before we start about things, are you reading books? What is it like? What's your approach towards English and spoken English?
I don't read book, but yeah, I practice a lot. I try to conversation with the people only.
Hmm.
Yeah, but recently I have started reading book too. Just now I have finished one book, Time Management, written by Sudhir Dixit, and
Okay.
I follow some spiritual person too, like
Sadhguru.
Mukandan Das book. I have just bought, but I didn't read properly.
Hmm.
I have started some page, like 2 to 3 page. I have read only, and yeah, I'm planning to read a book now also.
Mukundan Das. Okay, I don't know about this guy.
Mukandan Das, Gopal Das, or something Sadguru. Like, they are
Gaur Gopal Das I
very
know.
yeah, they
Sadhguru
are
I
very
know.
famous
I
in
know
YouTube.
Sri Ravi Shankar. I know
Okay.
Ramdev Baba.
Uh-huh. Mukandan Das is also. He speak only in English.
Ah,
Recently, he came in Sandeep Maheshwari.
okay. Yes. I have seen his speeches or something, but I
Uh,
could not get his name. So he does not live in India, na? He lives somewhere
no,
abroad.
he live in India too.
Lives in India.
Recently, he came in Sandeep Maheshwari show.
Oh, nice. What's his name? Mukundan Das.
Mukandan Das, yes. I have book I can show you, but now in not my hand.
No
Seven
worries.
Divine of Love.
Tell me a little about the book. What is it like?
No, I don't know about the book. I just like there is a just I will start learning. I will start to reading that book.
To read that book. Okay.
Seven Divine of Law. Recently, I bought up.
Okay. So let's start with the topic
Yeah,
goals.
yeah.
Like
Today, I think our topic is goal.
goals.
Yeah.
What Messi does.
So, sir, if I'm tell you truly, I haven't decided anything now. But yeah, I'm working in IT field now. So I just want to make my career in IT field too. I just want to achieve excellence in this field. So now I have some plan also. I have been working in this industry last for 4 year, and I'm working as a TL2 now. There are 6 member in my team too, and after 1 year, I'm planning to do my own business also. Maybe I'm not sure. I will uh, I will surely start after 1 year. But yeah, in maybe it will take time, but I will start my own business in the same industry, like in IT recruitment. I will start my own consultancy because I have a very good knowledge and everything I know about IT, how we can hire and how, like everything I know about my part. So it is good for me also.
When you
If
do so, when you do so, let me know.
yeah,
Please
yeah, sure,
hire me.
sir. Sure, sir. Why not?
Uh, so what only thing that we know is we can communicate better. That's about it. We are good
Right,
communicators. So
right.
that's the only thing is even have you watched this series called Pictures?
What,
TVF
sir?
Picture TVF Pictures.
No.
So do
TVS.
you drink? Here in Delhi, I
No,
should
no,
not ask.
no, no.
You
I
don't drink?
don't drink. No,
You don't drink?
no. But I know some brand name of drink. Like earlier, I used to work in
Arre Baba, you
hotel
don't
industry also.
you stay in Delhi, you don't drink. Or is it
No,
something that you are back at home that is the reason you don't
no, no.
say?
I have no. I don't like because there are a lot of reason too, sir. I have
Okay,
done in my past, but not now.
nice. So that spiritual Baba thing is actually working on you.
Yes.
Okay. So, Rakesh, what happens is a picture is something this big of beer,
Mm-hmm.
right? So that it's named, the series is named after pictures. So it's about the startup founders. It's by the viral fever, TVF.
Okay.
TVF has you done a lot of series before also. So this both the seasons you will find of Z5,
Mm-hmm.
correct? And there you will be able to find it is basically about startups and how they struggle from zero to and becomes from zero to hero, and
Okay.
how much struggle they have to take to basically come. So you on IT recruitment in the sense you know the coding languages also. What
Yes,
languages do
yes,
you?
yes. Yeah, yeah. I do have a just knowledge, but not practically.
So in this, okay, our overview of all the languages basically.
Yes, yes, yes. I know
Related.
some programming language, like what exactly they do, I know, but not. I haven't do coding in my career.
I haven't,
Just
I
I have
haven't
a
done that.
knowledge. Mm.
Okay, fine enough. Okay, so we'll come to goals once again.
Mhm.
What are your short-term goals? 1 month, 3 months, 6 months, maximum a year. Any goal on that
Yeah.
list?
If I talk about my short-term goal, now I just want to improve my communication skills, not English. I just want to improve my English and communication skills too. So it is my short term and long term both, sir, because we can't improve my English or improve in a short term goal, but it will take time. But yeah, I can try to become a good uh, uh, communicator person. So yeah, it is my short term goal, and in long term, uh, I just want to achieve excellence in my field.
Okay. Okay. According to you, should parents help their children set goals?
Um, yes, yes, yes. In our, but not now, you can say, sir. But yeah, according to us, our children, our parents are also deciding their children dream also, but not in my case.
Okay. So did not help you in setting your goals, or you did not want them to? What is
No,
it
I
then?
didn't ask to them. I never
Okay.
asked.
Okay. So how has your
Mm.
Sunday been? Tell me one thing.
Yes, yes. My Sunday today.
Yeah. How was your day like?
Yeah, it was too good, sir, because for a long time I have I got one leave from my office. So
Hmm.
earlier I don't play like in badminton. You know, badminton, sir,
Badminton, yeah.
badminton. I don't know exact name. I
Badminton is the
just
name.
saw, hi, badminton. Yes, sir. So I just saw two people they play. I don't know how to play, but in last Sunday and today also I went to play the badminton. So it was amazing. I played a lot, like 2 3 hour I played continuously. So it was too good. And today is also Christmas Day, and I like we has nephew also. We have made Christmas also, Christmas to him, like sorry, Santa to him. So we have clicked some pic with him, and
You
yeah,
made him
that's it.
Santa. You made him Santa.
Yes,
You
yes, yes.
you made you made him Santa.
Yeah, we made him.
Okay.
So we have done some fun activities. That's it.
Okay. So are you watching TV series, movies? What do you do on the
I
when you
don't
have time?
like watch movie, but sometime I watch South movie.
Mm-hmm.
And recently, yeah, in 23rd of December, I went to watch a movie of circus in
Mm.
theater.
It was
I
bad,
went
no?
to in theater. Yes, circus movie
It was
of
good. It was bad.
Ranveer.
How was it?
Uh, I don't know. I went with my friend, but they don't like that movie. They didn't like, but I like a lot. I don't know. They said ki there is that movie is too, the review are not good of that movie, but I enjoyed a lot. There are like totally full comedy in that
Comedy, yeah.
movie.
Okay.
Yes, totally full
But
comedy.
Bollywood is. Don't you think Bollywood is losing its charm now? That Bollywood
Yeah,
it
sir.
used to be.
The
But
thing is now
I'm still waiting for Pathan, man. I'm waiting for
Pathan
Pathan.
movie. Okay.
I'm
Yeah,
Yashraj,
yeah.
Yashraj and all. But after war, I think Yashraj's biggest, action kind of movie is this Pathan. I want to
Mhm.
see this,
Okay.
and that also Shah Rukh.
Shahrukh
And
Khan.
I don't
Yes,
know
yes.
at 55 I'll be having a dad body that I'll be having a stomach like this. That guy has 6 pack or 8 packs at 50 and more than
Yes.
50 I think so, 55 or
Right.
something.
Yeah. So it is, sir, amazing because they are doing hard work too.
The hard work
I
and obviously it is very tough to maintain, man. With
Right,
age, it
right.
is very tough to work out and
Mhm.
keep diet and all that things.
I respect to Saruk also. Really, I respect because he he have done for India a lot of thing too.
He's a true gentleman. I don't know about
Yes,
India and
yes.
all. So basically, his only best thing about him is he respects women. In
Uh,
one of the interviews, he has spoken that never talk to a woman like tu or tum. Talk to them with aap. Even
yes,
if they are talking to you with disrespect, talk to them with
yes,
this.
yes, yes.
And once they realize it, you'll be always in a better position. And
Hmm.
even if they don't realize and apologize to you, it's okay. There's something called neki kar dariya mein daal.
Yes. Yeah,
Correct?
Saruk is too good. Yeah, and he has a very good fan following also in other country.
Yes,
When you
yes.
will
Dubai
connect,
and all.
sir, I
Dubai, London,
also
Paris, all international locations, bro. Because I
Mhm.
don't want you to miss on it.
Right, sir.
Obviously, that Delhi or Uttarakhand accent is there, because of
Mhm.
which uh, words like skills you're pronouncing as skills,
Skills. Okay.
skills, right? Similarly, English you mispronounce it as English,
Okay. Yeah,
right?
yeah. Mhm.
And we has nephew. I don't know how to say this once again. This is incorrectly formed. So I have a nephew, or my brother. We are not talking about we for the timing. I have a nephew, and with whom
Okay.
so we made him the Santa for today.
Yes, yeah, I got it, sir.
Correct?
I
So
correct.
yes, this is the feedback that I found for your session. Right?
Yeah, thank
I
you, sir.
hope it was an informative session for you. So
Yes,
yes,
yes, sir.
Merry
I'm very
Christmas, and
happy to
we'll
see.
meet in the next session if that's possible.
Yeah, sure, sir, sure.
Or
So,
otherwise, Happy New Year in advance only.
yeah, thank you, sir. Same to you too.